So this is my sweet girl Vitola. As you can see, she's like just naturally very thin. So we always have problems with her just like gaining weight, and because she's just like, I don't know why. She's like hypersensitive. She's very like nervous and anxious. So I don't know if that has anything to do with her being so slim. And there's only so much food we can give her. So if we give her too much food, she will throw up, or she'll get upset. Her stomach will be upset, and she'll maybe get diarrhea. So I'm really glad that we found this. So this is the All American Canine weight gainer, and this, I've been using this on her for 2 weeks now, and I really wanted to use it before I even really talked about it. And I really like that because it comes in like this powder, and it kind of looks, it honestly looks like a protein powder, or like the peanut butter powder. So for her, because of her size, I do 1.5, and I literally just spray it on top of her, sprinkle it on top of her food, and she eats her food normally. I haven't had any issues with her like not wanting it, and honestly, like, she's been gaining weight slowly, and yeah, I'm just really happy with this product because like I said, we've always kind of had issues with her weight, and this is honestly, like, this is really good. I like the size. It's a pretty good size, and then these are all the ingredients that it comes with, so I feel confident giving this to my dog.